Gonna go for push on. Down the country because the coach saw and I ran out of drink. I want to get a drink when I get to town. Come and enjoy tooting along the ride. Pointed me moon. This is driving home for Christmas with a reindeer. Is that a service, you stupid woman? Ooh, fearsome of them. It's like going home for biscuits and still stand there and run down out in the road trying to flag the bus down. I'm poorly. I'm broken. I'm lost. They're still doing it. Never mind. See this video, this will not be smooth. All over it. Well, we're back pretty much for it. I'm going to turn off Havisage or Grafton. No, it's easier to go Princes Street than it is to get up Portland Street. there. Even at 1:30 in the morning, there's nothing. Well, down here it gets a bit busier, but nah, it's peaceful. So the students have gone away.
Slowly push and pull works very well. You need a lot of lock very quickly. Swinging it works very well as long as you keep hold of the wheel. Different techniques have different advantages and disadvantages. If you're going quickly, the push and pull doesn't work as well because you make the bus do that. Where if you can twist it in one go smoothly, and not only do you keep that happier, it's a lot nicer for your passengers. In theory. you've got no one on. Braking is the first. Obviously the slower you are, whatever it is, you cause less damage or less pain or whatever. And you give yourself that little bit more reaction with the time. I know Andrew Hartley's on 179. He's been playing all long road with him. Playing cat and mouse. Spoiler alert, I won. Having a white bus and less people on it. Always remember, if you see me out on the road, you can say hello to me. I know sometimes I see them off, but I do have a lot of them playing. But you can say hello to me. I don't bite, and it's nice to meet the fans, because I know I had someone on 38 one of the times, and yeah, I can't remember him making himself known to me. Yeah, hello, that works, well done. Pretty shit though. As he's blocked the keep clear anyway, I'm going to use my tail end to block the keep clear. Because to actually trigger the traffic lights, you have to block it anyway. This time I'm going to go into Piccadilly the way I should do. So I want to go to the Spa if the queue's not huge. It's freaky hour, so we've got to work out where everyone's going, where everybody would like to go, which now pissheads, anything else. I'm staying on the wrong side of the road here. He's going to make me turn into this on the wrong side of the road as well. Oh no, he's not. He's going to do something. He's going to do a U-turn by driving straight over the pavement. Never mind. Fuck him. Bollocks to him. Can't wait for the building work to be finished. We're back to normal fucking Manchester. He left the West Didsbury the same time I did. Before I did. Girls are coming up what 6th Street isn't any quicker. Oxford Street. Portland Street. But like I say, I'm going to go in the way he's going in. I don't want to go Spa. I can park closer to the Spa. Move your fucking wee retard. That hour. I swear. Nearly ran him over then. So once they've had a few, they don't give a flying doodah about anything, right? So he's going to park really inconveniently at the back there. Twit. That Sharston driver is going to park at the front of that stand. That Sharston driver is going to park at the back of that stand. So, just to be a right, you know what, I'm going to park at the back of this stand. know, because I'm not a right, you know. We'll park here. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget you